guys, welcome back. We actually took your suggestions from last week, and this week we're trying
non-dairy ice cream. Non-dairy.
Why are you like this?
This week we're going to be looking at a variety of different non-dairy ice creams. We're going to be judging them based on texture, on how close to ice cream they are, and then after we choose our favorites, we're going to be looking at them to see whether or not they even fit our nutritional guidelines. All right, so let's get to it. This is definitely a banana ice cream, maybe like banana chocolate chip or something like that.
I'm getting a walnut, which is exciting. There's like chocolate chunks and walnuts and banana.
Oh, it's like a chunky monkey.
I like it.
I do too. I really like this a lot. I feel like I might not know that it was not ice cream, that it was dairy-free. Like
The banana is a very strong flavor too, so it's like nice cream. That's what it reminds me of.
Yeah, this is great. I mean, that's a big winner.
Like I could keep going, but I'm ready for the next flavor.
It's Ben & Jerry's.
I knew it! Chunky Monkey.
It is Chunky Monkey. That's why it tastes like Chunky Monkey.
Okay, so there's 4 servings in a container, half cup serving. 270 calories and 8 grams of sat fat, which is a lot. And 28 grams of sugar.
I mean, even if you had a half serving.
So it's a quarter cup. That's like what we had.
That's still 4 grams of sat fat.
Which
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot. This is definitely like a treat.
Here's why. There's coconut oil.
Yeah.
So that'll always drive up the sat fat, even though it's like natural. And it's made with almond milk though, which is kind of cool.
Natural is just as bad for your heart though. It was really tasty. I mean, there's a good reason why this was so tasty, and it's all of that fat and all of that sugar just really makes it super creamy.
Yeah.
But it's good. Next one.
Maybe it's mango. I might change my mind now. It's either peach or mango.
I think there's some rice milk in there.
This tastes like a smoothie to me, like strawberry, banana, peach. This doesn't have quite the mouthfeel as the last one. It's not as creamy to me. It's more like icy.
Yep.
But still really delicious and fruit forward.
But it's closer to sorbet or something. It's good. It's still not.
I'd still eat it.
Yeah, but it's not. I know it's not ice cream. Oh! I don't know what
Tropical blend.
Outshine.
Okay. It's banana pineapple. Okay, so to me this tasted like strawberry peach banana, like a smoothie. 120 calories for half cup, which is, there's 3.5 servings in here.
That's not bad.
Only 4 grams of sat fat, so a lot better than the first one we tried. And 19 grams of sugar. So,
but for dessert, that's pretty decent.
Yeah, and it has 20% of your daily vitamin C, which is nice.
Oh, that's good. I just want to say this is so much better than the Meat Bar taste test. I'm so happy right now. I want to do this every week.
This is a lot more pleasant. I feel like this is coconut milk based, but it's vanilla flavored.
This is another one where this feels very much like ice cream. I would be several bites in before I started to suspect that there wasn't any dairy in here.
I'm still going.
I still don't mind.
What do you think about the finish on this?
That's where I would know, because the finish is not quite as creamy. And I think you're right, I think it's maybe a coconut. That's my guess.
And there's a, like I love it, I really do, but there's a slightly chalky finish to me, just a little bit.
Oh, so delicious. Coconut milk. So this is a half cup. Oh yeah. A half cup has 160 calories, and then it has 9 grams of fat, 8 of them saturated.
Which is 41% of your daily value.
Yeah, in 1 serving of ice cream. That's almost half. And then it has 16 grams of sugar in it. So actually it's lower in sugar, but still really high in sat fat, and that is definitely that coconut oil. It's really good.
It's good while it lasted.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll be back next week with more taste testing. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow.
Don't forget to comment below and let us know what we should try next week, because as you can tell from this episode, your last suggestion made it. So that's all for today, and we'll catch you next week.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.